Welcome to solverfy.
This is the answer to Chapter 26, problem number 43 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. This problem asks us to devise a synthesis of each of these four compounds from benzene, and we can use any organic compounds having 4 carbons or fewer and any required inorganic reagents. Oh, pardon me. Okay, basically, for A here, we are going to need to synthesize styrene and then do one of the carbene additions that we learned about in this chapter. So we could synthesize styrene the way that we did in problem 41 from this chapter. However, we could also do it this way. We could brominate this ring with bromine and iron bromide. Okay, we can then do a Heck reaction. We would use ethene, palladium catalyst, the p-otylyl 3 and triethylamine. And so I'm going to abbreviate triethylamine TEA. It's a pretty common abbreviation that you'll see. So there we go, triethylamine TEA. And that is going to get us to styrene. Okay. And so now all that we need to do is the carbene reaction that we learned about in this chapter. So CH2I2, zinc, copper. Okay. And that is going to install the cyclopropane here. Okay, so that's part A. And then for the rest of these, we are going to start from things that we made in part A. So for part B, we'll start from styrene. Again, we just made this above in part A. And this time, we need to do the other carbene type reaction. So using CHCl3 and potassium terpbutoxide is going to get us to here. Okay, and so that's our desired product for part B. All right, for part C, we are going to start from the brominated benzene that we made in part A. Okay, and now we can do just a different Heck reaction than the one that we utilized in part A. So this would be like this. Again, TEA is triethylamine. Okay, and so now we are here, and that is our desired product. Oops. So that is one error that I made. This isn't an ethyl group here. this is a methyl group. So it's not serious. It doesn't affect the solution at all. It's just important to write the correct number of carbons. So it would be a methyl group instead of an ethyl group. But everything else about that is still the same. Okay. And so lastly, for part D here, again, we're going to start from that same brominated benzene from part A. Okay. We're going to make the copper lithium here. So treat this first with lithium, then with copper iodide, and that is going to get us to here. Okay, and now we can do a coupling reaction. To get to our product for part D. Okay, so there we go. Parts C and D on this second page here, parts A and B here on the first page, and that is the answer to chapter 26, problem number 43.